This month, we made clips so much easier to work with. I'm Zach from Rally. Let me show you some of my favorites. So up first, you can now download any card in your entire story as a video clip. This is useful if you want to show a specific part of your product demo or a feature release without making people sit through the entire thing. Great for social, little updates for customers, and just all around a lot more flexible for those of you sharing in a bunch of places. So the other area we looked at was the sidebar. You spent a lot of time here, might as well make it look good. So we've shrunk a lot of the options so that it's easier to navigate, less scrolling and less ambiguous phrasing. And we've also, as part of this, added a few new options. Most of these options are around clip management. So this includes things like being able to rename clips so you don't have to end up with a dozen Zach's recording number 55. Harder to navigate, especially if you're recording a bunch of folks together. So this should hopefully make that a little bit more manageable. You can see these and a dozen other updates that we shipped this month on the website. Check it out, give us your feedback, and we'll see you back here soon.